case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1994, the Supreme Court of the United States heard the case Director, Office of Workers' Compensation Programs v. Greenwich Collieries. The case centered on the true doubt rule set by the Department of Labor, used in situations involving Black Lung Benefits Act, BLBA, and Longshore and Harbor Workers' Compensation Act, LHWCA claims. Under this rule, the burden of persuasion is placed on the opposing party when evidence from both sides is equally balanced, resulting in the claimant winning if the evidence is in their favor. The court was tasked with determining whether this rule violated Section 7(c) of the Administrative Procedure Act, APA, which concerns the burden of proof. This case was brought before the Supreme Court after the Court of Appeals found that the true doubt rule was contradictory to regulations under the BLBA and previous cases. One such case involved Andrew Ondeco, who applied for BLBA disability benefits due to pneumoconiosis, black lung disease. Though an administrative law judge applied the true doubt rule and concluded that Ondeco was totally disabled by the disease as a result of his employment, the Court of Appeals took issue with the rule's application. Ultimately, the Supreme Court ruled that the term burden of proof in Section 7(c) of the APA referred to the burden of production, not the burden of persuasion. The court dismissed the argument that Section 7(c) barred shifting the burden of persuasion to the employer, stating instead that Section 7(c) only addresses the burden of going forward with evidence. As a result, employers could still be held responsible for proving they did not harm workers without relying on the true doubt rule's burden of persuasion.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsc.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class